Manipur joins World Environment Day observance on the theme Beat Air Pollution. The day calls for concerted effort to curb air pollution to prevent its dangers. People plant 65,000 tree saplings at various educational institutions under the initiative of State Education Department on World Environment Day. Residents of 12 wards along Numbul River banks form local committees to save the Numbul River by keeping it neat and clean. And Meitei Bangals of Manipur hold Eid al-Fitr celebration with religious fervor and gaiety enthusiasm. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Kangzam Shalira with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Manipur joins in holding World Environment Day observance on the theme Beat Air Pollution today. Various government departments, local clubs, educational institutions and associations observed the day by planting tree saplings and raising awareness on the same across the state. Chief Minister Nongtham Mampirin has announced that Manipur will hold World Environment Day observance for a week. He said the same in the state-level World Environment Day observance organized by Environment Directorate at the auditorium of Manipur State Film Development Society in Palace Compound today. Speaking further, he also appealed to nurture tree saplings planted today. The Chief Minister also disclosed that a cabinet decision will be taken soon on conversion of 5 to 10 acres of lands of villages in both hills and valley regions of the state into reserve forest areas. The Chief Minister said that government will hold meetings with the hill areas committees to curb deforestation and jhum cultivation. Biren appealed to give up certain customary or traditional practices if they are detrimental to the environment. The Chief Minister also assured that the government will try its best to release grants for construction of open gyms.
Irrespective of hills or valley, each and every village, at least 5 to 10 acres, forest land mama ki khungam dugi mayada forest area develop tonganaba madugi grant aduga sapling aduga grant sina koina open gym moina haidi husiki forest develop tawuduriba area to the mayam hak thoksaraga lekai dugi hak thoksaraga open gym koi bars chingba weight chanaba khonaba the cycle thoba khop adugumbagi yana nabagi forest develop tawba horaba tawgena hairaba adugi club or organization or village authority singudai the sarkarna open gym mamgi grant piba aduga karigumba lam leram dragana sarkar ki lam lergana sarkar na lam do piba aduga khasle loiro gana khuldugi mingda hosiki forest land oina jungle yokhat na oina khundugi mingda koina pata piba ina aduma policy makak aikoi hauragi.
Taking part in the event, Forest and Environment Minister T.H. Shyam Kumar asserted that people residing in areas where there are no trees should be ashamed of themselves. Stressing on the significance of trees, the Forest Minister said that deforestation does not bring development but only loss for human race. Winners of district-level painting competition organized by the Environment Directorate were felicitated with cash awards and certificates on the occasion. Recently elected Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan, Chairman of Tourism Corporation of Manipur Limited, Dr. S. Ranjan, PCCF of the Forest Department, K. Angami, DC Imphal East, and students were among those present in the event.
Akwai zati si makalam uzi sukta thaning dia silai nang si satu sati ama ai isa sungai de ama sungai koi u thani tv da soka tor khane khala ga butuk kang le mane ngasai akwai ngasai ngakhl am dai da matam lagi honorable chief minister ex koi tamo ibo bina mai matam da u thabi assembly bring ngasai thaba ma pana ka pe tu kana mi ni mi na zai forensic by me kra tor ga king country na happy e busi ngakhl yeng ga adu yeng ga da ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯅꯣꯡꯃ ꯃꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯗꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯦꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯊꯥꯈꯤꯕ ꯎꯁꯤꯡ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯆꯦꯛ ꯆꯠꯂ ꯂꯩꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯥꯛ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯦꯗ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ ꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯎꯍꯧꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯠꯂꯒꯗꯤ ꯀꯥꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔꯅ ꯊꯥꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯥꯔꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯆꯠꯈꯤꯕꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯍꯟꯕ ꯎ ꯍꯧꯍꯟꯗꯕꯒꯤ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯄꯣꯛꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯪꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯍꯩꯄꯥꯜ ꯂꯩꯄꯥꯜꯗꯣ ꯊꯥꯗꯕ ꯌꯨꯝꯗꯣ ꯂꯝꯆꯠꯁꯨ ꯐꯖꯔꯝꯂꯣꯏꯗꯕꯅꯦꯕ
65,000 tree saplings were planted under the aegis of the Education Department at various educational institutions of the state today on World Environment Day. Education Minister Toksum Radisham also announced to felicitate educational institutions who carefully nurture the newly planted tree saplings. He stated that inspection will be carried out to check whether the newly planted saplings are being nurtured or not in the upcoming Ven Mahasabd event. Education Department, All Manipur Working Journalists Union AMJU and the Forest Department jointly initiated the tree sapling plantation drive at the government, aided and CBSE schools and colleges in all 12 zones of the state since 9 a.m. till 10 a.m. today. The tree plantation drive was followed by a state-level Environment Day observance at SK High School campus, Ngairangbam in Konthausam constituency. Chairman of Tourism Corporation of Manipur Limited, Dr. S. Ranjan, AMJU President Kapching Tabam Bizoy and top officials of the Forest and Education Departments were also present in the event. Education Minister Radhishyam also led students of the school in planting tree saplings in the school campus. Speaking on the occasion, Toksum Radhishyam asserted that inclusion of students in tree plantation drives will aware them on the benefits that trees provide to humans and the need to nurture the newly planted saplings.
We Indians are good builders but bad maintainers, and we don't maintain things properly. This time, pre-plantation, post-plantation, yam important. Ngasi makso akoi ayam jaga tawkhaira lerame adubu mafam kharada hingado mandaba napi narang yawbasing akoi oja sing atai tai da follow up action moina khara thugai ko kaira happy raga ising achaibi khotbi tawrise. Plantation tawbodu lai adugo hingan basi lu pot ina ising dakar lei har dakar lei aduna gardener amana tawgodo mathaudo adu akoi myam tawmina se adu soidana hingan gani haibase adu su mathakta heng Bon Mahasab haina akoi celebrate tawgodo base adu da akoi tha hingba hingdabra hingam daba sing no replace tawna adu gi so akoi forest department ne amju ne akoi punna tanari.
Speaking in the event, AMJU President Kapching Tabam Bizoy attributed climate change in the state to widespread deforestation. He mentioned that AMJU, which is one of the major unions of media fraternity, took part in the event to fight against climate change. Bizoy appealed to plant more trees to save our environment.
Hongaiba matamgi ayingasa climate changes, global warming, nong tagadaw matam tadaba, sugadaw matam da sudaba, ising khangchok chok salakpa, tongan climate changes mayam laiba sagalaiba, si mayam si una to di yaro. Akoi miyo ibano holiba oxygen si una pibani. Akoi miyo ibano hondo iba carbon dioxide si una mung subsalin. Makoi na akoi ta oxygen piba. Akoi na hondo iba hu chela ba nung sibuna makoi na subsin ba. U yaudana di malem se planet ase sidaida thawai panba jiba mata leiba ngamoi dabnina masigi global challenges asidaida pawmi amoina koi pawmi gi loop amoina masi akoi su thawdang lobam thoi ena khala kanda initiative tawjabani.
State Directorate of Sericulture held World Environment Day observance by planting silkworm food plants at Sangaipat Project Management Complex today. Speaking on the occasion, Sericulture Director S. Kunjakisor stated that silkworm food plants were planted today at every district sericulture departments. He mentioned that the plants will not only help in combating global warming, but also contribute in boosting the economy by enhancing silk production.
Director of Key Complex da koina chaurana koigi sigwam food plan koigi mulberry pambi se koi lising manga mu thabi pandam thami sumaina koi district kudi mata su yamdrabda pambi lising mamam loin thagani all together ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯥꯎꯔꯥꯛꯅ ꯂꯤꯁꯤꯡ 7-9ꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯜ ꯏꯟꯚꯥꯏꯔꯣꯟꯃꯦꯟꯗꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯕꯖꯥꯔꯕꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤꯒ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅ ꯊꯥꯖꯒꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯂꯣꯕꯦꯜ ꯋꯥꯔꯃꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯉꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯈꯔ ꯄꯥꯡꯒꯅꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯝꯕꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯥ ꯍꯦꯛꯑꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯌꯔꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯃꯜꯕꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯀꯨꯜꯁꯦ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯀꯅꯤ.
Trees were planted in honor of those who sacrificed their lives for the integrity of Manipur at Kekrupat on World Environment Day today. Observation Committee of the 18th Great June Uprising, Unity Day and Divisional Forest Officers Central Government of Manipur jointly organized the tree plantation drive. The Observation Committee plans to transform Kekrupat into an orchard in near future. Representatives of various communities and CSOs took part in the event.
Tungan community ki leaders sing amadi tungan update news ki WhatsApp group ki sigum mayam singa sina koi ngasi social service amaga lona na koi usar thabi thorong sabni usar thabasi thabadi lai awan basidi bui adra hadakti koi thariba mayam singse hauna na ba koi kunna tawina ba aduga environment da yam clean noi ba environment ga mioi begi human being ga lainari ba mari sina kari imbalance ma karak kuna maram kana ngasi di global warming ase tholakpani aduna koi hojik yamna tangaba suguma global warming na laiba asiki suppose sida nakoknamagi damakta nioi ba ama oina laiba taragadi isa na tangai padana usara natraka haira sinimje tharakana hawan bagi asigi tak ama responsibility ma lobum thui.
Chairman of Manipur Pollution Control Board and MLA Oinam L. Radakishore has announced to open air pollution monitoring station in all 16 districts of the state to monitor the level of the air pollution. He was speaking in the World Environment Day observance jointly organized by Loktak Development Authority and Loktak Lake Development Cooperative Society today. He urged everyone to plant 1 tree each to protect the environment. Taking part in the event, Director LDA El Bagaton stated that the department is initiating various measures to prevent pollution of the rivers flowing in the Loktak Lake. Up-Abdaksha of the district and Dines, relevant experts of the board and many fish farmers attended the event. All Manipur Bar Association Amba held World Environment Day observance sponsored by Manipur State Legal Services Authority at Cherak Court Complex in Lamphel today. Various tree saplings were planted at Court Complex on the occasion. Speaking on the sidelines, Judge of Family Court Lamphel Dr. Santibala called upon youths to take preventive measures to protect the environment.
ngasi mi lising kaya amana u tharamgani u thaba yungthalamadi yamna lai yopi ba haiba ama sangbani na akoina tharam u singse mathang sahi natrasu asangba matamda makhongda boisu leba hapchan biba napi phandok biba haiba se khwaidagi maru oin khale chaudriba u do kada yongna chaurge di yengbiba thaba yungthan ba haiba sidi yamna lubonete khwaidi luribadi yokhatpaduni
environment is only akoi uwa khakinate akoi helengli paliba prithvi da lairiba jiba mayam se siju akoina Shangot Pibam Tui, Yantana, a quaggy environment, a quay, a quay with the lady, Sa, Usek, a day, Uwa, Pambi Manze, Yokatpayam, Darkaroi, Tungi, Pusari Damunta.
Various tree saplings were planted and awareness programs were held across Tobal District on World Environment Day today. Teachers and students of Hairok Higher Secondary School, Hairok High School and other primary schools planted tree saplings in their respective school campuses. Environment Kanban Loop Hairok, MSSM Industries Hairok, Ningol Club Hairok, Salaikan Balupt, Ukhong Sang also planted tree saplings at various places in Hairok. MLA Kangabok O Suzar Kumar led members of Green Revolutionary Society Athokpam in planting tree saplings at Athokpam Nepra and Lamding. Voluntary Network for Earth Green Kangabok also took out a cycle rally on the theme Plant Trees, Breathe Healthy Air. Teaching and non-teaching staffs of the YK College Wongjing planted tree saplings in the college campus. Students and teachers of Southeast Manipur College at Komlathabi in Chandel District also planted tree saplings on World Environment Day today. Government schools in Bisnupur district also observed World Environment Day today. JDO Bisnupur and Tikendrasit led students of the Oinam High School in planting 3 saplings to mark the day. World Environment Day observance was also held at Wangkai High School in Imphal East on the theme Beat Air Pollution. Experts stress on the roles and responsibilities of people in keeping their surroundings neat and clean. Deputy Ranger A. Ranbir, JDO John 2, M. Premchandra, School Assistant Headmistress A.K. Sulochana, students and teachers of the school planted various tree saplings in and around the school to mark the day. Department of Environmental Science ECO Club NSS Cell Unit 1 and 3 of DM College of Science also held World Environment Day observance. Participants planted 3 saplings and cleaned the college campus on the occasion. UNACO School in Maitram, Imphal West planted over 1,000 tree saplings on World Environment Day today. Editors of the Impact News, ISTV, local dailies, leaders of various civil society organizations, and teachers of the school planted the 3 saplings. UNACO chairman and Irabanta expressed firm belief that the trees planted today will help in combating climate change.
Manipur government local piriba maruri education department gi education minister gi miyang makada local liba school mayam da u tha bai bajigi pandam makada ngasi akhoi maitram school da akhoi gi Manipur gi maroi ba akhoi editor gilgi chinausing mju gi akhoi thopubo sing amadi akhoi gi CSO mayam gi luching mayam yauraga sigum pangthok chabani masi pandam dik campus asi busu green uhen ba amadi environmental gi akhoi gi climate change busu masina khara makhai di akhoina
Director of the Regional Institute of Medical Science, RIMS, A. Santa also led the institute in planting 3 saplings on RIMS campus on World Environment Day today.
Howji akhoi sagalaiba climate globally change roise so akhoi myam loinbak united oraga mafam mafam khodimak u thaba hengalan bai yam important ne aduna se u thaba se yamna darkar ne tasem bagidi mafam mafam da loinbak sabiyo mafam mafam khodimak ngasi da natana atei matam atei ayam da so u anum thabi ba yam phane ne haijek
Upon Banaharol Yaifa Thosil Kanglut, ANYTK, Thangweibund initiated plantation of 3 saplings at Thangweibund Tingeld on World Environment Day today. ANYTK distributed 3 saplings to every household for the same under the banner One Family, One Tree. Youths of Kanglei Park Thongzu Part 2 organized World Environment Day observance today. Over 50 volunteers of local clubs in Thongzu Part 2 planted over 200 tree saplings at Ibudo Thongzu Lakpa ground. Social Welfare Club Hyanglam Makalekai also joined in celebrating World Environment Day by planting 3 saplings today. Many ward members of Hyanglam Gram Panchayat also took part in the event held on the theme Let's Preserve Trees. Volunteers of Tentha Makalaika Youth Development Organization TMYDO also planted 3 saplings at roadsides and riverbanks on World Environment Day today. Secretary of the club Sunderland Nauremt opined that it is better to plant just 20 trees and nurture them instead of planting thousands of tree saplings without nurturing them. People for Animals Manipur distributed 3 saplings to commuters at traffic points near Imphal Head Post Office, Ras Bhavan Gate and Kangla Main Gate on World Environment Day today. Mapo Dam Chingdom Action Committee in a press release resolved to call total shutdown of Mapo Dam Road from tomorrow following failure of authorities concerned to repair the road. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on exclusive report on recent initiative to keep the Namble River neat and clean. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. People residing along Namble River banks have formed local committees on World Environment Day today to take up cleanliness drives to keep Namble River neat and clean. Impact News reporter Katrame Premchand and camera person Yohen Arangbam bring you an exclusive report.
Deteriorating condition of the historically significant Namble River of Manipur, which flows in the heart of its capital Imphal city, has caused apprehension among the people for a long time now. In the positive turn of the event, recent initiatives of the state government to keep the river free from pollution have brought some relief to people who are now hopeful of witnessing some positive changes in the condition of the river in near future. It is needless to say that endless garbage dumped inside Namble River due to recklessness of some have contaminated the river water. Unpleasant sight of some mindless people urinating and defecating by the riversides and stains from the river not only concern the passers-by, but it is to be noted that the polluted river water, when joined with the Loktak lake, threatens the lake itself.
Namble Mapan da leiribasi adugi mating mosalakpa laina tina kayamuk lakpa amasung yengba nungaitaba akon hanjan hairakasu akoi kaisampat area si khakta natana atopa lam dei so laga phata hudi langjalma mayam se masi kramain tawna ngaktoksige haiduna akoi lakpani hadubu handakti khudong chaba ma pibire habri environment department ki maikei dagi asiumlaba nambun project ama pakhale mayam du approve tawjari madudi Nambun Mapan se अखोइना नम्बुलगी प्रोजेक्ट सिनबीरबा कनो सेसिदा अखोइगी लेकाइगी अखोइ क्लब की मेकेदगी अमसुंग नुपीगी संस्थान अतोइदे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन पुरमकी मयामसिगी कोऑपरेशन गलोइना अखोइना फुल्ली सपोर्ट तौजै.
Undoubtedly, the Namble River has been neglected for a long time, but now it is high time for people to take actions to save the river in the wake of appalling climatic change and occurrence of natural disasters like flash floods, rise in temperature, and irregular seasonal pattern.
Nambun turel asi mapan sida satpada mahik matang chongsallaktana laina tina pakkadauba lakadauba malaba matam asida hariba department na amasung miram iramdam asigi miyamna asigumbada saruk yabiriba se asuki matik thawai nungai jai amasung nararoi dowboi siraroi dowboi su khalli asumaina mipung khuding mangna iramdam asigi nupa nupi khaktana miyamna saruk yabiyo haibase kaisampat kaisam lekai protection committee gi kaidagi hanna paujel asi pijari haiba wafam se thamjaroi
kanagumbana athengbada khangde anganbada khangde akoi gari da poraga dustbin mayam ama choba bag mayam ama hundokpirambase kaiguma laibak thiba numit amada thengnarabadi akhoina ne moibuna fine matik sana loraga moibu mayang amangda khongoina gani haiba akhoina.
State government sanctioned 97 lakh rupees and launched Namble River rejuvenation work to safeguard Namble River. Residents of the 12 wards on both sides of Namble River formed committees by the support of Directorate of Environment to keep the river neat and clean. Subsequently, the locals started cleaning up the 9-kilometer stretch of Namble River from Hiroshima to Harangoitong.
तुरेन सिंह नागे तारीबा माई लेकाई लेकाई की ओइबा क्लब सिंह मरा पाइबी सिंह सिंगलुप की मी सिंह अमदि नहारोन सिंह मैम थोपिरागा आई कोई मपुने हन लावबगी लोना मोई हजिक माई मापाजी सेंगदोकपा अमदि सिटपा हौनखरे अमदि हारिबा प्रजा सिंह की सिगुम्बा सपोर्ट यावरगदी हजिकति नम्बुलजि नानगनि हाबि थाजबि हम चोंग थमे तारे सेंगदोकपजिनते हजिकति प्रोटेक्शन यावना हजि कमदोन ngak सेनगदि हाबिगि अदुंबा स्ट्रेटजी मयाम अखोई सेम नाकन फेंसिंग तोबन सिंगबा डस्टबिन खिमन सिंगबा amadi mai ki kilometer su samne nu sing mayam program mayam paikhala kani.
people continue to take responsibility to keep the Nambul River neat and clean starting from today, and also the concerned authority organized numbers of awareness program on the benefits of river. Then it won't be far away from us to witness the clean water flowing at the Nambul River. With camera person Iro Mocha and Yuhen Arambam, this is Ketamim Premsan reporting for Impact News, Imphal.
Moneywood Club and Association of Manipur Film Industry also took out a cycle rally on World Environment Day today. President of Moneywood Club, Thangzam Arun, flagged off the rally from Kuman Lampak ISBT. Many renowned artists of Manipur film industry took part in the rally, which passed through Imphal West and Imphal East district areas. The rally has planted various tree saplings at Tinsit Road of Lamlong and Kongba Bazaar to mark the observance.
Gari masing hangalakna air pollution kam lakpa ko environment chu mangal pakan sida environment chu kanna bona bagi tangta petri pumba da pangthoiba world environment day sigamari lainana ngasi khoi Moneywood Cup Manipur na sigumba cycle rally ama amasun tree plantation ki program asi khoi gi environment chu kanbagi mari lainana pangthok chabani.
Volunteers of Mamitawan took out World Environment Day awareness rally on the theme Air pollution from the Kangla Gate till the Imam Market today. Many Manipuri film stars and sportspersons of the state took part in the rally. Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad ABVP Imphal unit also held World Environment Day observance at NG Mani College, Sri Guru Gobind Girls College and Lamlong Higher Secondary School today. Over 300 tree saplings were planted on the occasion. And a group called Myang also took out a bike rally on the theme Go Green and Stopping Pollution is the best solution on World Environment Day today. Miam convener Genau Sarma flagged off the rally from Lainingthau Ising Jaibi in Nagamapal. Popular Queen of the Universe 2019, Hentoibi Moirangthem Miss International Best Talent 2019, Asakiran Consumed and Maniac representative Goldie Sapam took part in the rally, which proceeded till Tiaripok Angta Maning Lekai in Imphal East. Various tree saplings were planted on the area. Justice K.H. Nobin has asserted that legal aid campaign for the families of jailed inmates has been already initiated. He was speaking on the sidelines of an inspection at Sajiwa Jail arranged by Manipur Legal Services Authority today. Justice K.H. Nobin also stated that a detailed report on various inconveniences facing the jail inmates will be submitted to the Chief Justice at the earliest to initiate appropriate measures by government and court. Additional DGP Prison K. Dongold of Sajiwa Jail, other officials and staff of the jail took part in the inspection visit. Lawyers of Manipur Legal State Services Authority, Justice Lunu Shungkum Jamir, Justice M.B. Murlidharan and other staff also took part in the inspection visit.
Nalsagi instruction makada akoina huji anoba program hore first May degi sigi program si makada thengna khudum bukse akoina dum akoina ngam level karige to piage do yengse akoina la is general on inspection lakpanina adu kana individual capacity mogi problem le yaurgadi mogi tanarga akoigi level kari to yage hido akoina legal awareness toba legal piba thengna problem sing do akoigi masal sagi lawyer sing sida adum hapta amada ahum lakuma lakpaneba adu moida akoina loina contact tawro kana gumna remission gumgi thaning ba yawi ade kana gumna transfer pam yawi adu magi do akoigi legal aid ki ukil sing lakpane mafam sida moiga tana virga kari kari to ya ba haibedo akoina global level da nata court level da kai do ya haibedo yengaga moina pirek report ki metuna khoi makhata ba thawla khochege.
Members of Drug Disposal Committee of Narcotics Control Bureau Imphal set ablaze drug worth around 70 lakhs rupees today at MS Kuman Brickfield at Mongsangai Maning Ningombam Lake Road. The drugs were 1,52,000 Fentanyl tablets, 49 bottles of Fencidal and 5,11,650 pseudo Ifadrel Tablets, Chairman of General Director of NCB Guwahati Rakesh Chandra Sukla, SP NAB, Manipur Police Imphal Watambasu, Assistant Commissioner Custom Imphal Madoli Daso jointly set ablaze the contraband drugs. Governor Dr. Nazma Heptullah inaugurated the newly constructed Sanatong and newly repaired auditorium and administrative block of Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy in Imphal today. She also inaugurated the statues of late King Rajashri Begachandra, Manipur's renowned dance teachers M. Amubi, H. Atomba and T. Amudont at the Academy Complex. Rongmei Student Organization Manipur and Actress Guild have reached to an understanding with regards to the recent controversial Kabui dance performance by some Manipuri film actors at Moirang Lai Haraupang. The resolution was brought in a meeting held at the head office of Rongmei Students Organization Manipur in Noni today. Vice President of Langol Ningtho Luptin, Meitei Langol Moirang Temba Santa called upon every communities in the state to respect each other's cultures. Speaking on the sidelines of the inaugurant of the Irum Sang of Lining Thot Langol Ningtho organized by Langol Ningtho Luptin Meitei Langol today, Basanta mentioned that it is the responsibility of every individual to respect and preserve one's ancestral culture and traditions. He also highlighted on the inconveniences faced due to lack of proper Laibung of holding Lai Harauba celebrations. Basanta said that the MLA Uripo cum Deputy Chief Minister acknowledged such inconveniences facing the villagers and sponsored the newly inaugurated Irum Sang.
Irumjang Hairise, Kogi Ariba Londada, Kona Tigatsaruda, Irum Paklay Heba, Irum Sang Heba, Sminalay. Even though we bend those Yamna Maru Oy, Muba Kogi, Punsiki concert Siga, Yamna Marile Nabani, Masigi Laisi, Aduna, Akwe, Side Horaga, Pongam Pati Horaga, si Bendo Ladyba, Tonga Sitela, Sibao the Ladyba, Life from Lane Mayam City, Mubi Punsi concert Sida, Yamna Maru Oiba, Laini.
MLA Nauria Pakang Klakpa Soibam Subachandra inaugurated the temple courtyard of Lining Thong Nong Saba constructed under MLA Local Area Development Fund at Kwakaitel Haino Khongnembi today. Speaker Yimnam Kamchan and Deputy Speaker K. Robintro also attended the event. Speaking in the event, Speaker Yimnam Kamchan urged the people to take active roles in preserving Lai Harauba tradition. MLA Subachandra assured of the undertaking project to repair roads and to solve various issues facing in the constituency.
Ido Nongdaloen Pakang Budagi, Matamdagi Holkibadana, Manipugi, Puarida, Sagi Lai Harauba, Nakanatana, Manipugi culture to Kalagalaki Badumba, Lai Ningwagi Torum Jawa, Festival Makalamani.
Karadi, a quick Katu Matai, Pavana Sahi Manga Oivaga, Adagi Aduna Oivaga, Asiamne Kenny, Mani Heli He Pavachigana, Ivagi, Hokil Dunimadu Taranganda, Pungan in the Pupa, Muivaki Punsini, Brahma Pagunda, Mu in a Poxaki, I don't know Gidravada, Adumba Pungan Pukumivaki Punsi, Adumbagi, Wahidu Taraga, Young Taujariba, Shamjari, Mayamina, Pinbidana, let him them holy, but say, Animakai, the Karima Kredi, Saints Lakani.
Newly constructed two waiting shed and one Maira Sang of Dorban Ketri Lekai Gram Panchayat constructed under the funding of the State Finance Commission 2018-19 GP share to were inaugurated today. 14th Uchekont Nongchup Jila Parishad member Seram Nikel initiated the construction at Singzamei Tongkong, Mongkhang Langbi, Tongkong and Ningom Tongzao Nandebam Uku in Dorban Ketri Lekai under the GP in Imphal East. Speaking on the occasion, Seram Nekel urged the public to utilize the shades properly.
Public to join a cooperation behind with the Akuna Sazari structures. Kogi Yamna Pazana Sinaviva, Adagi Atiakai Tuan Bidaba, Maruina, Akogi Prazagi property Nina, Masiam Sexina, Adam Sina view have opened in Tanzania.
MLA Wangkoi Olukoi inaugurated a second dealer of Maruti Suzuki in the state, Maruti Suzuki Arena of Samadon Maruti at Cocktail Ningtemko today. The first dealer is Eastern Motors at Jingmeirong. New cars were handed over to 33 customers in the inauguration. Speaking on the occasion, MLA Olukoi opined that the newly opened showroom will not only make available brand new car models, but that it will also create jobs for unemployed individuals. Sorokhaibam Lalit Memorial Trust observed the 127th death anniversary of Sorokhaibam Lalit at MDU Hall in Yaskul Police Land today. Attendees paid floral tributes to the portrait of the late Natya Ratna artist. Koripaba Artists Association Nambol also showcased the drama based on Rabindranath Tagore's short story, The Postmaster, on the occasion. It may be mentioned that Sorokhaibam Lalit served as the founder member of Manipur Dramatic Union. He contributed immensely in the fields of drama and gave direction to over 80 dramas during his lifetime. His legendary drama entitled Haurang Klaishang Saphabi popularized Manipur across India.
Art की वा ड्रामा की वा सुमगी हिरम सिंह जो खन्ना बना कुन ट्रस्ट सेंटर अकांदा मसीगी थोरम से चई खुदिंगी पांगथोक पसे अंदक अनेक शुभ ने कोई ना उजरी से अदना समय तो अदना इदोगी मिंगसिदा ट्रस्ट हम सेंगुला कोई ना मरोना ड्रामा की लमसिदा नौना होरी बा आर्टिस्टिंग में आमा यो खन्ना बगी वखलोंदा कोई से मतंग मतंग प्लान तौरकांदा करी करी कोई ना तौरपे आगे ट्रस्ट ना तुम कोई ना हाइबा ड्रामास की मरम सिदा लीला कला मरम से चकोनबगी अदुम वखलोंदा कोई ट्रस्ट से फॉर्म तोकजबनी.
District Child Protection Unit Imphal West organized one-day awareness program on child protection under the aegis of the Social Welfare Department at Tarung Community Hall today. Speaking in the event, Protection Officer of District Child Protection Unit Imphal West, M. Sarda, stated that incidents of rape of minors, child labor and abandonment of newborns at all places are on the rise in the state. He asserted that the program was held with an aim to aware everyone, especially parents, on children's rights and on how to nurture and care children. Sarda also lamented that people are still unaware about Cradle Point facility, where people can leave unwanted babies instead of abandoning them at odd places. The protection officer assured that whoever leaves their babies at Cradle Point will not be punished or arrested. She appealed to utilize the facility of Cradle Point to save life.
Yoiba Kudima Hingbagi right lay, Angang to Hingbagi Hak Bibiramu, Som the Langtoki Angang to Hayang Lebaki Saknaiba or Rapusuyai, Aduna, Yaringa di Palm Dragasu, Cradle Point the Lactuna, Angansi. Point the Aquina Kariguma Makalgi, Scamerana Singba, Karigumbamta Kinde, Sidakarim Akanagum, the Sing and Ningai Kiningai came to late, and when the police name Parakadava, Kotaba came to sing and Ningalate, Lakpiro, Mafam Sida Tambiramu, Tambiba Kaktani Konamayamda, Haizarise.
Muslims in the state held Eid al-Fitr celebration with religious fervor and gaiety today, marking the end of Ramadan, the Islamic holy month of fasting. The faithful attire in their best thronged the Eidgah and mosque to offer Eid prayers. Later, they exchanged Eid greetings. Appetizing dishes were released in every homes. Eid were presented to both young and old on the occasion. Disabled Development Association Manipur and State Platform of Disabled Person Organization Manipur jointly held Eid al-Fitr celebration sponsored by Salai Holdings Private Limited at Oinam Sawongbong in Imphal West today. President of the Northeast India Development Party, NEIDP Manipur State, Dr. N.G. Bizoit led party members in presenting gifts to people of Muslim community present in the event. Attendees, including inhabitants of both hills and valley regions of the state, rallied on a hearty feast on the occasion.
Ekoi pullaga ahomba puraksi haibadu ngasimak aikoi furuk ahommak punbagi numit adu ai ngasimak uzabada nungaijai aduga sigma numit asida organize obiriba Salai Holding Private Limited loinana aikoi State Platform of Disabled People's Organization sina pullaga simbiriba sumba chaglena sida mayam punamak nungaina chaglen phamgiduna mayam punamak lakadoriba chahi simada ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯐꯥꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠ ꯊꯧꯔꯥꯡ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯤꯁꯅꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯒ ꯏꯗꯀꯤ ꯃꯨꯕꯥꯔꯛ ꯄꯤꯖꯔꯤ.
Advisor of Samas Manipur, Muhammad Riyauddin Aribam, today presented food items to Muslims residing in Wabagai constituency on Eid al-Fitr. All Manipur Muslim Coordinating Committee, Amokok, Irong and Kairak Local Committee jointly organized the event. Taking part in the event, Riyauddin wished for the festival to bring unity and harmony among different communities of the state. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Manipur joins World Environment Day observance on the theme Beat Air Pollution. The day calls for concerted effort to curb air pollution to prevent its dangers. People plant 65,000 tree saplings at various educational institutions under the initiative of State Education Department on World Environment Day. Residents of 12 wards along the Nambul River banks formed local committees to save the Nambul River by keeping it neat and clean. And Meitei Pangals of Manipur hold Eid al-Fitr celebration with religious fervor and gaiety enthusiasm.